This is the setup. So this area of low pressure, it has a cold core. That's what we call this, a cold core system. And when you get strong storms close to areas of low pressure, a few things happen. Sometimes you can get some large hail because, well, it's cold, so the hailstones can stay a little more compact, larger. That's where you see a hail threat when you have strong storms near the low pressure, as well as shifting wind. That's what's giving us our churn factor in the atmosphere this afternoon. I want to get to the timing first so you can plan your day. Front sweeps through. This is around 7 o'clock. Now, they could be erupting as early as 5 p.m., so make sure you check back in with us this evening as we track the storms. Front dives through. Looks like a quick hitting line of storms late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Now, friends in Arkadelphia, Pine Bluff, you have less of that factor, of that churning factor, that energy from that area of low pressure. Well, because you're further away from it by later tonight into early tomorrow morning. Then the front sinks south, comes back into play for your Friday, keeping the widespread rain likely there in the southern half of the state throughout your Friday. Then it advances back to the north, spawning off a few thunderstorms. Again, if you see Friday evening into the start of Saturday. And then finally, the front comes through, second front comes through on Saturday, bringing yet again another round of rain. Let's break down the threats. I've changed these since I was doing them last night. So wind, still keeping at a medium threat. Tornadoes, I've brought that up a bit. 1 or 2 warnings are possible. Make sure you have the conversation with your kids. Have that safe place in mind. Penny to quarter size hail on the higher end because of that area of low pressure. Not going to be a widespread hail event, but some measurable hail possible. Rainfall will be short-lived. Just quickly showing you where that tornadic threat is. The highest is up towards northeast Arkansas, so I don't want everyone to panic, but we are in that medium category, parts of central Arkansas. So we're going to watch this storm very carefully. Quickly giving your extended forecast. Don't forget, this is always online if you want to check back in there. 76 today. 50% chance for storms tomorrow, mainly in the southern half of the state too. Saturday, up the chance for rain again. You notice we're a little cooler on Saturday morning and for Sunday morning. But nonetheless, guys, just stay tuned to that forecast tonight for some severe storms possible.